Okay, let's watch this price level. You see the 7 lots. This is the iceberg with a white background. Now you see the one um, added at the left. We don't know how many lots are there because they can be filled in with a larger size. Okay. Anyway, now you can see the 7. So, and the price is digesting this particular level. So we're already seeing like a 1 bounce, 2 bounce. So the price have a hard time to penetrate this particular level. So now you see this order is moving to the right in a queue for execution. And you see now 4-3, now 7 again. So what happens? They eat it, um, and you saw it in a 4-3 and 7. Now they added new 7. Okay, now it's a new one added. I mean, it's like filled in again. So you see this one is ready to execute. Boom, and so they adding again and again. Now they adding in the same I don't know, backpack. They adding more loads again. They adding more, and they see the new one showed at the left. So when they add new loads, it shows on the left. Now it's gonna be digested again. Look, 7, 6, boom. It's digested. Now they added new one. It's getting digested again. Okay, you see that the white order is moving to the right, and they getting hit by the price, but the price is not moving from the same price line. The price is staying there at the same very spot. And this is a clearly an iceberg right before today's market close on Friday. You see what happens? 3, that means that's the still space for the iceberg. Okay, it's filled out, and now they added on the left new 7. You see they adding new one on the left. When they add new, you will see it on the left with a white background. Okay, you see it's in the queue. See these 2 small ones? Okay, digested. Now they added new one, always on the left again and again, again. So you're seeing how they added a new loads into the same iceberg. This is the iceberg, right? Staying right here, and they adding more and more and more and more. So they're filling in the orders. They're accumulating, and probably they're gonna go for another 4 ticks up and start selling with another iceberg, because it is the end of the week, end of the Friday. You see, 7, 6 is going to be melted again, 2, and so on. New 7 added. 7 plus, there's some appendix out there. So 7 added. You can look by the numbers. You can see the numbers going to tell you the fuller picture if you calculate it and look at this video on a very slow motion. But anyway, this is the iceberg. Doesn't let the price go lower because somebody's accumulating order on a level 2. They believe it's advantage for them to buy right at this price. So what they trying to do before the end of the day, and you see that's a 426 right now on the price at the time. So very close to the end of the day. So they're trying to accumulate, and then they will start to sell from over here. But it's going to be in another video. I'm not going to show it to you. But anyway, they're going to do like another 4, 5, 6 ticks, and then they will start selling from the above because it's at the end of the day on Friday. So they're trying to make a quick money at the very end of the day. So white, it is the regular iceberg. So anyway, you're seeing that a bunch of the orders were added again at the very end of the line. You see now they're still adding new and adding new and new. Like it's just amazing. You see how many lows they just added and added and added on the same spot? That is Amazing. And here now you're seeing the iceberg that is right here, keeping the price. It is right over here. And my demonstration was about that we can see iceberg, like this is the iceberg. This is the iceberg. We don't know how much they're going to infuse into that iceberg again from the very end of this. So they will be added again, more and more loads into on the same price line. And all of this will be consumed by the price. So the price is not able to go lower. It stacks over here and it's going to go up. Now, these bubbles are really great and awesome indicator that we have on our ledger that demonstrates the iceberg. You can see it on this is a 10 seconds time frame, by the way, very small time frame. You can see how it works right here. So it's keeping the price. This is the iceberg. Later on, you will see the iceberg will be indicated right over here. But for right now, my point was only to demonstrate the live iceberg creation and consumption. So when the iceberg is added, it's added at the very end of the price. And then it can be 7 or 10, and then it goes to the queue like this one. This one will go to the queue, and then they will add more and more and more. And it's going to be at the end of this line again and again and again. So that's how Iceberg works. And you're able to see it on our MBO DOM.